Cartier, good programme y Siagiag. Welcome to programme 16. And you, hami awn yn glaschw, agos hami ydol y choiad erson tai. Today, I'm going house hunting. Not for myself, but with a friend of mine. In the programme, we're going to be looking at the home, and the word for house is tai, as in our drama, Ekin tai.
Hallo, wilt waar ik een dag?
Ha.
Kapelet.
Hallo, Evadi. Gysdiach. Iaw.
Ac yma.
Catch you in a clown, the guy.
Handel y sacw. Catch Daddy.
Houd yn hwy.
Ounce and tai in the house. Ounce and tai. Hi, cymryd haw.
Hag yma tafelet, fel yw hyn gyma.
Ha.
Ai fflwch. Dy gyn ysdech. Daddy.
Houd yn hwy.
Just as a tai haw geori, tai môr, flat, your bungalow.
Handel y sacw. Ah, sioflat eich sbierschworf.
Two rooms, kitchen and bathroom. Not bad. There are two words in Gaelic for room. Siomer, and room. Room. We'll be sticking to room for the moment.
Pescar ma. I'm a gary room, as I tolly.
Gleva. G yn dynnu mahar.
Ynys Mackay.
Ah, siaw. Rŵm med val.
Trot ma ha. Gafaf molestial, y fel rŵm a gyf.
Ha, trwy'n gysdiach.
Room val, a room to let. Room val. Eisht, listen again, and look out for the words for sitting room, room sie, and bedroom, room cattle. Room sie, agus, room cattle. Ceist ma?
Ceist.
Ah, siaw. Rŵm med val.
Trot ma ha.
Waar zijn laat?
Catch you in the
Ga je ons een room zien?
Capella. Vahar.
Janish.
Cwas a hasef. As yn oban. Ah, yn thoban. Bala bria. Agus sio yn rŵm cathil. Capelaf.
An room suye, the sitting room. An room suye. An room cattle, the bedroom. An room cattle.
Room sie, then, is the sitting room or living room. Sie means sitting. And room cattle is the bedroom. Cattle means sleep. And the kitchen is an kitchen. An kitchen.
Fel yw ti'n ysdech?
Ha? Ha, mi Chian. I'm coming.
Kerst, waar zijn laat?
Catch you in the
Ga je ons een room zien?
Capella.
Agus sio yn rŵm cathil. Capelaf.
Showroom suya. Agus showroom cattle. Agus showroom kitchen.
Showroom suya.
Glefa. Hai môr.
Ha, hai môr. Stal am sin.
Agus Sean room Cathy.
O, stal yn rŵm sio. Yn tal y tene.
Stal, chan i la donna idir.
Sean kitchen.
Hai ffyr yn dŵn a chael.
Hag Gerard.
Yn kitchen môr cwjoch.
Huh?
Agus, sin yn rŵm ilwach. The bathroom, room ilwach. Look out for room ilwach in Ekentai.
Gaf mo leisgal.
Jeha u giori ian. Sio ian.
Tapelat.
Koham sa rúm eolach. Gles ost ma ha Eli. Ha Eli am sa rúm eolach.
Gres ost Eli ha dadi giori gol gan rwmiwlat.
Carter fel yn stoch yn iacym.
Chan Elisa cymygrai. Awn sy'n rwm cadl.
Chanil.
Awn sy'n hitchen.
Chanil.
Awn sy'n rwm iwlat ma ha.
An room iolach. The bathroom. In the room iolach. Ounce a kitchen. In the kitchen. Ounce a kitchen.
The kitchen is an kitchen, but in the kitchen is ounce a kitchen. Ounce a kitchen.
Ceast ma? Ceast. Hai glefa ach ha mi giori darwm cadil.
Ha Eli am sa rúm eolach.
Gres ost Eli ha dadi giori gol gan rwmiwlat.
Carter fel yn stoch yn iacym.
Chan Elisa cymygrai. Awn sy'n rwm cadl.
Chanil.
Awn sy'n hitchen.
Chanil.
Awn sy'n rwm iwlat ma ha.
Daddy, a fel yn stoch yn iacym am sy'n rhwm yw, lad.
Fwli, mynach.
Daddy, gyda dy barod.
Eli, sgwr ie.
Hacwad glefa, na chael? Sys yn y rwd. A sio coiad ma, na chael? Kitchen, room sy'n, room cadl, room iwlach, agos room cadl ele. Ha da room cadl lawn. Ha da room cadl lawn. It has 2 bedrooms. Da room cadl. Ha da room cadl awn. It has 2 bedrooms. To say there is or there are, you say ha, whatever it is, awn. So ha kitchen awn, there's a kitchen. Ha room sy'n awn, there's a sitting room, and so on.
This shop flat on the yoker. Kitchen, room suya, room cattle, agus from England town.
Chanel ta room Cathy dan.
Chanel.
As ni geri tele ta room Cathy.
Well, Clonakov.
Chanil hast.
Shop flat there on the yoker. Kitchen, room suya, room English, agus ta room cattle on.
Clefa.
A mi giori rown myr son gis ma sy'r tole.
Le rwm yw, lad.
Ha ma sy'r tole. Ha rown yw'n la jawn.
Glefa.
Tachbalh. Agus camera Ellen. Tachbalh.
Ó ha Ellen Cleva.
A bhfuil tú jaacab an na ceart.
Ha taú racin. Ha bhia. Seo, sin an tay.
Ó, ha snock.
Ní sé seo an kitchen.
Seo?
Agus seo an room sia.
Ha snock.
Ha.
Ha darún catí lean na ha.
Ha.
Tachbalach. Ha tu snock agad.
Ha da room cadl on. There are 2 bedrooms. Ha da room cadl on.
Ha da room cattle awn. There are 2 bedrooms. And one of the women in that last scene said, ha tai ur aking. Tai ur. We have a new house. Ha tai ur aking. And another woman used the word snog. Nice. Snog. Eisht. Listen again.
A bhfuil tú jaacab an na ceart.
Ha taú racin. Ha bhia. Seo, sin an tay.
Ó, ha snock.
A mi giori rown mar son Gis mas tole.
Le rúm Gàidhlig.
Ha mas tole.
Catch you, Rhoda.
Hammy, who is a staira?
Cleva.
Who is a staira? Upstairs. Hammy, who is a staira? I'm upstairs. Hammy, who is a staira? Eistjuf, son, who is a staira?
Gafaf mo leisgal. Catch you with gurrum.
Sinne, who is a stated?
Ah, Tachbalh.
Serpe.
Dia seo. Catch you William.
Iang. Who stayed?
Ceart. Ian, trot!
Who is a staira? Upstairs or up the stairs? Who is a staira?
Nisha, who is a staire? Ha da room cattle, eggs room watch.
Who is a staira? Upstairs. Who is a staira? Listen again. Eisht.
Gafaf mo leisgal. Catch you with gurrum.
Sinne, who is a stated?
Ah, Tachbalh.
Serpe.
Who is a staira, maha? Upstairs then. Who is a staira? Agus Anisha, and now, Hammy, he is a staira. Downstairs. He is a staira. Look out also for the phrase type big. Toilet. Type big.
Ha seo snock.
Ha. Catch you an tabig.
Chan you sacam.
Gafaf mo leisgal. Catch you an tabig.
Ha hi is an staire.
Tachbalh. Ha hi is staire.
Hello, come on, stranger.
Oh, Cleva, Tachbalh.
See if she is.
Tachbalh.
Is she showing tay? And kitchen. And room C,
Ashin ma, Tachbalh.
Sin an room Gàidhlig. Agus a room cattle he is a stay the kucha.
Cleva.
He is a staira. Downstairs. He is a staira.
Who is a staira? Upstairs. He is a staira. Downstairs. Eisht. Listen again.
Gafaf mo leisgal. Catch you an tabig.
Ha hi is an staire.
Tachbalh. Ha hi is staire.
Is she showing tay? And kitchen. And room C,
Ashin ma, Tachbalh.
Sin an room Gàidhlig. Agus a room cattle he is a stay the kucha.
Mating va?
Hallo, mating va. Is mis je dal mag geneus?
Ah, mag geneus. Vaartje, ik heb ster. Nes je Sean kitchen?
Nee, va?
Hanfred shit. Agus Sean stove.
Kerst.
Nes je Sean room zie je? Hij voert. Ik ga chennen aan, chennen.
Nee, va, ma.
Agus nes je Sean room katel. Ha prisse aan.
Kerst, kleva.
Agus Sean, you good?
Oh, tapelev. Krijg je weer een roomjulach?
Oh, ha mi dullig. Chennen room julvat.
Kleva, tapelev.
Nes je feme mi fall af. Ha mi fuidir hier steide, agus ma ha se begierika.
Kleva, agus tapelev.
Some of the new words in that last scene are very like the English ones. So, for instance, fridge for fridge, stove for stove or cooker, and presse for cupboard or press in Scots. The word for fire is chena, so the fire, and chena, the fire. The word for key is jucher, the key, and jucher, the key, and jucher. And the woman in that last scene said, Ma hashiv a geori kal. If you want anything, ma hashiv a geori kal.
Ha mi fuidir hier steide, agus ma ha se begierika.
Kleva, agus tapelev.
In Egenhai this time, look out for leppy, bed, leppy.
Ha en tos jeshal, Eli. Eli! Join! Gressevere! Ha en tos jeshal. Ian! Gressevere! Ha mi je fall af. Oh, shoot, Ian. Ha mi dobbel goper. Feme mi fall af. Kaart je wel, Eli?
En hoe is het steden? Let's all stilly. I'm on your fall off.
Cheery Mahaya.
Oh, how fall off. Cheery me hama.
Cheery de graag.
How gearrig daddy.
Een marmalade. Can't you wel een marmalade?
Gaan jullie zakken?
Een fresse. Wel een onze fresse.
Gaan jullie zakken?
En joeger. Cheery Maha.
Avami, catch of the marmalade.
Onze fridge.
Onze fridge.
Be me fall off in school.
Jerry hier I. Eli, can't you wel join?
Balaf?
Can't you wel join?
Ah, he. Hound leppy.
Arms a leppy in bed or in the bed. Arms a leppy.
Ounce a leppy literally means in the bed, but ounce a leppy can also mean in bed. Ounce a leppy. Listen again.
Be me fall off in school.
Jerry hier I. Eli, can't you wel join?
Balaf?
Can't you wel join?
Ah, he. Hound leppy.
Ti'n giri maha? O, gwan i fi yn mas dy hole. Cearst. Sian son y ffrwgram sio. That's it for this programme. Next week, I'm going to be going shopping and looking at ways of dealing with money.
Seo ha.
Tapalet.
Wel tapaleth yr wda.
Siet y behe. Slantje.
Slantje fa.
Slantje. Mar sy'n leave.
In this week's programme, we introduced you to Ha Kitchen Aun. Ha Kitchen Aun. Aun's a kitchen. Aun's a kitchen. Aun's an room suye. Aun's an room suye. Aun's an room cattle. Aun's an room cattle. Huas a staire. Huas a staire. Hies a staire. Hies a staire. Aun's a lebby. Aun's a lebby.